Hi everyone, welcome to my personal learning network site. I'm going to show you just briefly an overview of what my site looks like. So here we have the welcome page. I kind of want to add a few things to here once I get further in the program. This is my first class at WLC, so once I get further into the program I do want to add some more links. So this is a very beginning website, very beginning start to what I want this to end up like. On this tab I have a little bit about me. So a couple pictures, just showing my family, and I want to add some more there, just showing who I'm about. Once I get my own classroom, once I start observing, I want to add some more pictures of that as well. I have a little bit about me section, just my history and what brought me to pursuing my master's in education from Wisconsin Lutheran College. I have a Pinterest board right here, so if you click on this, this will take you to my Pinterest boards, and you can see what I have pinned. My resume is here, and yeah, so that's my About Me page. I do want to add some more things to it as well once I get further in the program. So this next tab I just clicked on, presentations. I have everything I have done for screen sharing regarding applications, games, tutorials on this page. So I have my vocabulary review. If you click on this, it will take you to the YouTube link. The Brain Pop review with a little bit about Brain Pop. Taino Ecology, this is my favorite game that I played on within this program. I loved how interactive it was and how students could really take it home and learn on their own, but still have fun. So I have a little description about that as well. I have my Slack, quizzes, and Google Drive tutorials on here as well, with a little bit of information about each of those. So kind of just a presentation. This presentation tab is just kind of a catch-all for all the projects I did here that I thought was interesting. I thought other educators could be interested in seeing like how vocabulary is used, what are the benefits of it, how much does it cost, just a little snapshot of it. That brings me into my next tab, resources. And on my resources page, it does show what I recommend for games and applications. Like I said before, I'm starting out as an educator, so I have never taught in a classroom before. I did an internship after college, but that was just 3 months, and I did teach in classrooms, but it was brief, and it was community health education based. So this is my beginning of combining all of my games and applications that I like to use, things that I've found this past semester. So I have Kahoot, vocabulary again. If you click on these pictures, it will take you directly to the website, and just a little blurb about them. I also have a couple articles and videos that I did share within the class. These are just things that I found really interesting. Teaching about the newspaper, teaching secondary students to write effectively, and why we should all be reading to our children. The last thing I have on here is my web quest, so you can click on that. It will take you right to the web quest that I created regarding U.S. national parks. So yeah, very beginning start to my website, but still a start at that, and thank you for watching. I want to make this bigger and better as I go through each of these courses, and just keep adding to it. All right, thank you so much.